back to Half Feral. I'm Eli, and in this video I'll be doing some maintenance on the tiny house because probably the last time we worked on it was good a year ago, so we gotta make it look all good again. Well, it never really was not looking good, but we'll make it look even better by we are gonna add a plant and finish up some like caulking that was cracking on the door. So yeah, let's start on that. Hold outside. Alright, so probably one of the first things I'm going to do, just maintaining the tiny house, is when we put in this door, we knew it was just going to shift a lot, and there's a big crack between our trim and the door frame. And we just tried caulking it, and it stayed for like the first month, but then there's just this massive crack. I came back about 3 months later. Caulked it up and I've just been kind of doing it, but I think now I'm really just gonna see if I can get it permanently. Just the shifting of the door frame just pulled apart the caulk right there. But yeah, I'm just gonna caulk it up, make it look all good. Boom! A little bit messy. So it turned out great, but hopefully it'll stay. So if I think about it, I probably should have used a stretchy caulk for this because, or I don't know what you call it, but caulk that will like expand and shrink with the trim and the door and how it just shifts and everything. But I was able to get one side done, but gotta leave and do something. So I'll come back this afternoon, finish the door frame up, and there's just some other spots around the house. Some trim here that I need to fill in, like a little crack there. And then this window has a spot under the sill that I'll do. But otherwise, it's holding up pretty good. We're back at it, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, and I also installed this pretty neat timer thing. So I can turn it on, it'll turn on at a certain time, so we're not wasting energy. Gotta save that moolah. There is one disadvantage about it though, is that when this dusk dawn thing is on, so these lights turn it back on, or it makes it think it's daytime again, so it blinks on and off, and it just blinks, and it's really annoying. So we don't use that because we'll burn out our bulbs. So yeah, let's finish caulking now. Oh yeah. Alright, so the next thing on my list is I want to add like a little bit of plant life around the tiny house. And we got this hanging pot planter and 2 artificial plants because I'll never water them. And real plants want to be able to last in that sunlight all the time with that lack of water because I won't, water because, yeah. But yeah, this is just a white small hanging pot that we're going to use, and we'll just go ahead and plant these plants. Right, the plan is we're not using this. That's trash. But I'm actually gonna get some like real potting soil, and just put that in, make it look as much as a real plant as possible, and then I'll throw these bad boys in, and then of course go hang it up. So I'm gonna go see if we have any potting soil. Not fake plants. And first of all, I need to figure out a spot. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I do not know if I want to put the extender thing on or just keep it like this. Let me check out both. Oh no. Oh lordy. Oh lordy. Oh, that's a little bit too low, mate. Oh yeah, it's a little way too low. Alright, I think I'm gonna go that way. Hey, what you doing? Huh? What you doing, bud? Thanks so much for watching, and actually we plan to do a little bit more on the tiny house, but we'll leave that for another video. That's gonna really change the whole interior of the tiny house, so stick around for that. Make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next build video. You want it? Go get it. No, he was running. I was like in between his legs. He was like wobbling around.